Kerry here. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you about creating colouring by coloured lines. So I have got hold of these images here. They are all in PNG and they were from a big black line mega bundle from, oh, what is it? Pretty Graphics. So they've got their own website where they've got things in, and they've also got images on Creator Fabrica. So I've chosen only a couple of things. I've chosen like the cupcake, the teapot, the like sugar or honey. I've chosen those cups. Maybe I should have gone for the single cup. In fact, I'm going to do that now. So what I've done is, because these are PNG, I've gone to Creator Fabrica. You don't need to be a member of Creator Fabrica to use this. This is a free tool that converts your SVGs for free, because there used to be a great tool called Vectorizer.ai. It's still a great tool. It's probably one of the best out there, but it does now cost you money to use. So if you don't want to pay out, you can use this. So I'm going to grab hold of a cup and I'm going to click on add image here. I'm going to grab hold of the teacup and I'm going to let it generate, and you'll see that I've got all the different images that I want to do. And I'm going to click download vector and I'm going to change that to pick 7, and that's just going into my downloads. And then I'm going to go into Affinity Designer and I'm going to create my final image using all of those vectors. So I'll see you in the next video.